In this video, we will be discussing the upcoming weather for the United States for the week of January 9th. More atmospheric rivers and excessive rainfall for California, potential for severe storms for the southeast United States, potential for snow in the northeast and east coast. What will the weather be like where you live? Stay tuned to find out more information. Please make sure to like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications, and leave a comment letting me know where you're watching from. Alright, let's get straight into this forecast. So what's been going on in California is there's just been wave after wave of low pressure coming to California. So let's put this in motion and describe what's going on. So this is precipitable water. So as you can see, the blue wave come in with the purple. That's another wave. And behind that, another low pressure system moves in and brings yet another wave. So this is just wave after wave of these atmospheric rivers that's just bringing in super excessive rainfall for California. Alright, so I'm sure you've heard the term atmospheric rivers floating around quite frequently with these recent California rain events. So atmospheric rivers are relatively long and narrow regions in the atmosphere, like rivers in the sky basically. So they transport most of the water vapor outside of the tropics. These columns of vapor move with the weather, carrying an amount of water vapor roughly equivalent to the average flow of water at the mouth of the Mississippi River. When the atmospheric rivers make landfall, they often release this water in the form of rain or snow. Here's a really good graphic up on screen that tells you exactly what's going on with these atmospheric rivers. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go check out this site as well. It's really helpful, but that's essentially what the atmospheric rivers are. So we've got yet another wave of the atmospheric river coming in tomorrow, Monday, January 9th. It'll be portions south of San Jose, near Monterey, north of Santa Barbara. So we got currently a marginal risk for storms tomorrow, Monday in California, which then leads to a moderate risk of flooding for the area as well with that atmospheric river that is moving through. So next we're going to take a look at the QPF rainfall model, otherwise known as a quantitative precipitation forecast model. So the QPF is the expected amount of melted precip. So as you can see in California, much more rain coming to the area. This is for day 2, which would be Monday. So yeah, once again, just look at all that rain. That is a excessive amount of rainfall. That's why we have that day 2 moderate for excessive rainfall in place. All right, and the other precip type with the atmospheric rivers comes the snow. So the mountains of California recently have just been getting dumped by heavy snow, and that's just going to continue on through tomorrow, Monday, January 9th. So this graphic does a great job of showing the potential winter storm impacts. As you can see, much of the California mountains under that extreme impact from the snow that'll be continuing to impact these mountains. They're just going to receive additional feet of snow, not inches, feet of snow, to the already many feet that they have. So this model graphic does a great job of once again showing more waves of that atmospheric river moving through. Portions of the green, that's going to be rain. And then you got the snow, a little bit of mixed precip once again in the mountains of California over here. But just wave after wave of atmospheric rivers impacting California. One good thing I would like to highlight with all these atmospheric rivers and rainfall that's been happening in California is the drought relief. So on the right is December 27th, 2022. As you can see, there is an exceptional drought in place for portions of Southern California. And then on the right is January 3rd, so just about 5 days ago. That exceptional drought is no longer there. So drought conditions are improving just slightly with all this rainfall that is impacting California. Unfortunately, the rainfall is most likely going to cause landslides, mudslides, debris flows from all the recent fires over the previous summer. So even though some goods, you do have some bads. As for the rest of the United States, not a whole lot going on the rest of the week. Day 2, once again, this is for Monday. There's just general thunderstorm risk down here near Houston. And like I said previously, we got that marginal risk in California. For day 3, more just general thunderstorms, some more just rain due to the atmospheric river in California. And then moving into the Wednesday and Thursday time frame, I'll go ahead and move this graphic in motion. There could be potential for some severe stuff in the southeast United States near Mississippi, Alabama. This is kind of going in the Wednesday time frame into Thursday. So as you can see with this line, those could be severe. Right now they're not issuing a 15% for that area as of yet, but it may be introduced in later outlooks as we go forward and learn more details about it. And then for the northeast, as you can see, there's some blue on there that would indicate snow. So there could be some snow for the northeast as we move in towards the weekend. Let's go ahead and take a further look at this. Move it forward just a little bit more so you can see the impacts that it's going to cause for the Northeast. And then on the backside of this system where it's going to be colder, there could be some snow throughout this region. Models are kind of indicating that right now. So we'll see as we go forward. And then once again, over in California, you can just see yet another atmospheric wave with more rainfall moving in. Also looking at later this week, just wanted to take a look at a different model here to kind of show some similarities. So once again, this is a different model and it's still showing potential for severe storms near this region of the southeast United States. And then it is also showing the potential for some snow on the backside in the Northeast. This model doesn't look as excessive for some areas. It does look more excessive kind of this area for some snow on the backside. Other than that, it looks pretty quiet besides what we've discussed. And that's a wrap for our forecast for the week of January 9th for the United States. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Look forward to more of these as I'm going to start doing these throughout 2023. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and become a member where you can get exclusive content, exclusive forecast, and more. Thank you for watching.